Hello guys, happy Sunday. Today we want to learn something very simple. Birthday flyer made simple. Alright, so this is what we are going to learn today. This is what we are going to learn today. Okay, so birthday flyer made simple. So we get to Pixellab. We delete this, we go to gallery to get in our background. Okay, we get our background, we stretch it and we lock it up. Okay, next we get to shapes and we put it somewhere here. Okay, we lock it up. Next we get our image. We go to photo room, we get our image. Okay, somewhere here we get the image. Okay, alright, and we take this up. Okay, we go to relative position and we center it. Okay, and we go to color filters and we work on the color. Okay, we go to construct, make it the picture pop. Okay, we go to saturation. Okay, alright, and we go to hue. That's it. Okay, so that is what we have here. Okay, we go to brightness again. Alright, so we lock the picture up. Alright, so next we go to gallery, bring in a flower. Alright, bring in a flower and we go to 3D rotate. Alright, this is what we have here. We rotate it this way. Alright, we copy it, change it to the other direction. Okay, and we put it here. It's like it's too much, we reduce it. Okay, we copy this, we turn it this way. Alright, we copy it again and we put it somewhere here. We copy it again, we put it somewhere here. Okay, so this is what we have. Put it somewhere here. Alright, so we go here and we group them. So we have grouped them and we lock it up. Alright, the next we're going to do is to bring the picture down. little. Okay, we bring it down a little. Alright, and we lock it up again. So next we go to shape and get our okay, we close it, we copy it and reduce it a little. Okay, and put it here. Okay, and here we go to color. Okay, go to gradient, already there. Okay, that's what we have. Then we go to text and we type we go to text and we type happy birthday. Type happy birthday. Alright, we go to font. Once we get to font, we go to recent font and we put the font that we need. We place it here. Alright, we go to line spacing. Take it up a little. Okay, that's happy birthday. We reduce it a little. Okay. We go to line. Okay. Okay, this is what we have here. Okay, and we put this one here. We reduce happy birthday a little. Alright, and this is what we have. We place it here. Okay, and we copy happy birthday. We type the name. Grace the mode. Okay, we place it here. And we go to color. We change it to black. Okay, that's Grace of the mode. We change the color. Here we change the color to ash, light ash. Okay, and we place the name. Okay, then we copy text again and we type live long and prosper in good health. Live long and prosper in good health. Alright, so this is what we have. Live long and prosper in good health. We reduce it and we go to font. Recent font. We make it little, we reduce it again and we place it somewhere here. Okay. Live long and prosper in good health. Okay. We move we go to text and we type celebrating grace. Alright, we go to font and Carolite, and we go to line spacing. We go to line spacing and we stretch it a little and we reduce it more from here. Okay, then we go to relative position and center it. Alright, the next we are going to do is to draw a line. Okay, we draw a line. Okay, that's the line. We turn it this way and we copy it and place the copied one by the side. Okay, this is what we have. Okay, we go to position, put it to 2 and take it up a little. So this is what we have. We go to this and we group them together. So this is what we have now, and we go to position to place it somewhere here. Alright, and we go to text and we type today's date. Okay, today's date is 7th January 2024. Okay, and we go to font, go to recent font, we go to recent font and we type the font. We go to line spacing and we place it here. Okay, we take this, take it up a little and we place the 7th. Okay, we reduce this more and we place the date. Okay, we place the date, place the date. Alright, this is what we have. We group them. Okay, we group it and we put it somewhere here. Alright, the next thing we are going to do is to draw a circle. Once we get the circle, we put it here. Okay, we put it here and we go to color. That's the color we need, and we go to stroke, we add stroke, and we go to stroke color and we add white. Okay, we go to stroke, we increase it a little. Okay, and that's what we have. We go to text and we type +1 today. We type plus, we type +1 today. Alright, to font. Okay, we go to set font +1 to there. We bring it down, stretch it a little. Okay, +1 to there. We take it up a little from line spacing. Okay, and we stretch it again, and this is what we have. We group them. Okay, this is what we have. +1 to there. So we are done. So this is it.